Huh. Hmm. Huh. I'm sorry, I didn't see you there, students. How you doing? It's good to see you on this Friday. As sorry I can't be there today, but you guys are awesome. I'm glad you're all here. Glad to see all of you, even the Juans. Let's begin our class today. So I'm glad we have an awesome substitute teacher who's filling in and doing a great job. Thank you so much, by the way. But let's get into what we're doing today. So you may take out your long essay question and your packets. Yes, let's go take a look at them. Have those and take those out. And we're going to actually work on these a little bit today. So you're going to be able to work with these with your groups. But first, I'm going to have our amazing teacher who is filling in for me today pass something out. All right, so if we can get these passed out, awesome, amazing teacher, make sure everybody gets one. Maybe a couple of students that want to help you out. Pass these out real quick. This is kind of like an example format of what your LEQ is supposed to look like. So I'll just read through it with you here real quick. So we can pause it right now if we need to, but make sure everybody has one. And I'm going to explain the directions right now. All right, so basically this is how your body paragraphs are supposed to look. So have yours out in front of you and make sure they match up with this. First, you write your claim about the context using the historical thinking skill of causation. This comes from page 75 on your packet. And this would be some kind of claim about like how trade expands, consequences of trade from page 75. After this, write 2 to 3 pieces of evidence that are very big in general about networks of exchange. You can include evidence from page 75, the name of trade networks work. A few of the kingdoms that existed back then or major people would work. All right, keep these pretty big, but name 2 to 3, maybe 4 key names. Name drop in here for your evidence. Trans-Saharan Trade Network, Kingdom of Mali, Swahili city-states, Calicut, that kind of information. Song Dynasty, Pax Mongolica. All right, this should be about 2 to 3 sentences long. Then add your explanation, which will explain why this evidence was so important in the era of networks of exchange. This led to cultural diffusion, religion, anything in there that's why is that evidence important. And historical thinking skill of causation. So the word cause or effect, this affected, this caused, should be in your explanation. And then finally, at the end of it, you're going to put your thesis statement. And all your thesis statement is the claim of your first body paragraph plus the claim of your second body paragraph. And those answer the prompt that we have, because both your claims that you have in your body paragraph should answer your prompt. So if you put these together, your thesis statement will also answer the prompt that we have, which is right here. Develop an argument that evaluates the extent to which technological innovations or transfers led to increased economic growth. So maritime technology led to increased economic growth. That could be a claim. A thesis statement could be something like maritime technology and camel saddles led to increased economic growth in the era of 1200 to 1450, for example. Let's look at our body paragraphs here. For your first body paragraph, write the claim, which should answer your prompt and use the skill of causation. This caused, this affected. Next, write your 3 to 4 pieces of evidence that you use in a paragraph and at least 2 to 3 sentences. Finally, write your explanation that states why your evidence is important. Use your historical thinking skill, this caused, this affected, and then tie it to the big picture of networks of exchange. This led to people becoming richer. This led to more trade happening, people mixing all over the world. Some kind of explanation there. And your body paragraph should be about 7 to 8 sentences long. Second body paragraph is the exact same thing, except for this ending I put here, that your long essay will be about 1.5 to 2.5 pages. So go ahead, exchange with each other, read with each other, and let's take about 10 to 15 minutes for our amazing teacher who's filling in to kind of walk around, see how everyone's doing, and we can make any changes. And what we can do here before you pause me, that you will be able to take these LEQs home with your packet. We do not need to collect them until Monday. So we'll collect these on Monday. All right? So go ahead, let's work for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, I hope that went well. I hope that 10 to 15 minutes of working on that went well. Now we need is our amazing, awesome teacher to make sure you all get the new packet, 2.5 and 2.6, which is a combination of cultural consequences of connectivity and environmental consequences of connectivity. That's a lot to worry about. All right. And go ahead, pass those packets out. Make sure that someone can help you. And before you pause it, here's what we're going to do for the rest of class. For the rest of class, quietly, individually, you may read and take your thieves notes on 2.5 and 2.6 in your notebook. Or you may put your earbuds in and watch the videos and take notes. But all the way till the end of the class, since I'm not there today, I want to give you guys some work time. Homework for Monday. Number 1, make sure you turn in packet 2.3 and 2.4 with your LEQ. That will be turned in right when you come in. Mr. Carpentier sending a message. Mr. Carpentier will always be Mr. Wood's rival. All right, so what am I talking about again? Oh yeah, so 2.3, 2.4 with your LEQ, that is due on Monday. This packet, 2.5 and 2.6, by Monday, take the thieves notes and also watch the videos and have those ready by Monday. That's why we're going to give you some work time right now. So with that, I'm off. I'm probably somewhere in the car right now on the way to Chicago and off to that anniversary present that I told you guys about. So I will see you on Monday. All of you have a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. I should turn that off.